morning. Welcome to BSF Recovery Team. Well, we're finally headed home. We got the trailer fixed, and we took an extra night to rest up, and it's early morning. We're headed home. Well, we have a whole bunch of footage from Sand Hollow, the record games, the off-road games, you know, from going up the trail to the arena events. I haven't even had a chance to look at it yet. We'll get to that as soon as we get home. So meanwhile, stick around, join us for our road trip. Well, we just turned on to 70 and came over the first set of hills. Everything went good, and now we're heading down into a valley, and we'll go over another set of hills, I'm sure. Well, we just got done with a fuel stop and a lunch stop here in Salina, and somebody wants to take a little detour to Ephraim.
What's you Ephraim? Robby Layton.
Oh. All right. Okay. Well, I suppose we'll have to take a little detour.
I mean, we've seen Matt's shop. We've seen Rory's shop.
Yeah.
I mean,
well, not the new one.
Rory got a new one.
Yeah.
Well, we've still seen his place. But we haven't seen Robby's, and he is so close.
That's right. Okay, we'll go to Robby's.
I mean, we haven't seen Paul's either, but
no,
that's
we
a long
haven't.
ways away.
We already passed it.
Too late.
Well, this looks like the place. Hey guys, get a load of this table. I want one, but I don't know if I have the room. This is pretty neat. All kinds of toys I would love to have.
Right on the side there's a little triangulated push cart that's full of all different attachments for this. Clamp, bars, taller towers.
I bet. Yeah. Here's the accessory table.
Yeah. Found what those chrome things are for yet?
These?
Those are magnets. Are they magnets?
Yeah, they are magnetized.
For what though? Yeah, but why would it?
Because if you put it through here,
Like that? You could, something would stick to it. Off like sheet
so
metal.
like, yeah, so
know
if you
what I
want,
So if like you're building your custom, like a custom fender, you could stick the sheet metal to it and not have to hold it.
Right.
yeah.
And this would be mounted, so it'd be fixed. That's all I can think of.
Yeah.
More steel compartment.
Fancy stuff.
Fancy stuff. Yeah. They even got a hole cleaner. Oh, you do.
Yeah. Yeah.
Need your cold cleaned.
All right, let's go look in the mechanical shop, see what's up in there. Oh, they got the banana clone on the hoist.
Deja Blue.
Deja Blue, yeah. So what are you guys doing to this? You making it drive?
Oh, it already drives. We're just upgrading links
Oh yeah.
to more flexible ones.
Aluminum does flex.
Still just kinks.
Yep.
Takes more to kink it, but it doesn't go back.
Right. Yep. So hopefully you don't flex it into the drive shaft, but
Well, it's that full drooped, so
Yeah.
you'll never be full drooped both sides. or like the front axle will never be full droop unless you
Right.
launch it.
Right. Yeah. Pretty neat, guys. All right, well, we're going to get some merch and get going, so we'll see you on the road. Well, you got your merch.
Mm-hmm.
Robby,
Wasted half a day of your dad's time coming up here.
yeah.
And worth it.
Well, of course it was.
Well, Robby don't come to our shop when
No,
he's
need
in
to.
Wisconsin.
Hey,
No, he's been to Wisconsin
In my
twice now,
defense.
and he hasn't stopped
My
by.
And he was 2.5 hours away one time.
in my defense, I was there for 41 hours. Actually, I wasn't even there for 41 hours. It was like 12.
Yeah.
I was there, slept, went there, got on a plane, came home. But
All right.
next time-
Well, next time you fly, if you fly into Minneapolis, and then drive somewhere, you come see us because we're only an hour away
Serious?
Yes.
from Minneapolis.
Oh, from Minneapolis. Oh, yeah. No, and we'll be going to Minneapolis at some point.
Yeah. See. So there you go. You heard it from Robby.
That's right. We'll be there. So.
Okay. Well, there you go. It was our quick shop visit with Robby, and they got their merch, and we're hitting the road. Well, we're back on 70 now, heading towards Grand Junction, I guess. Hopefully we make it there tonight. Well, we're almost to Green River. We have one more downhill. That's the San Rafael Swell. We gotta head down, then we'll be in Green River and we can stop and get some fuel. Well, we made it to Grand Junction, and yes, we do have a friend for the record coming home with us. We're bringing the rental Jeep home, and we're gonna play with it in Wisconsin. Well, we're on the road again. We're gonna stop at Parachute for fuel, and then over all the mountains. Well, that was Vale Pass, and we're coming up on Eisenhower Tunnel, I believe. Eisenhower Tunnel. Now we got downhill to go to the next pass, and I can't remember what that is. In case you're wondering, the truck's doing great. We were down to about 50, 45 coming up to the tunnel and coming up Vale Pass. But that's faster than some of the semis. Well, we made it through the construction, and now we're in Denver. Traffic's not too bad, but we got to find a place to stop. Well, we stopped for fuel and a potty break at a TA here in Denver. We're gonna get back on the road. That was a big train. Well, we just stopped in North Platte for fuel. Weather has been excellent on our trip home, and we're heading to Grand Island and maybe more before we stop. Well, time to stop for the night. We're in Grand Island, Nebraska, and right by the Bosselman truck stop. Pretty neat place, very busy place. But we're gonna get some sleep. Join us tomorrow morning. Well, we stayed at a motel last night. We stopped at the Bosselman truck stop. It's an incredible place. But we're gonna get on the road. So we'll see you at the next fuel stop. Not much to look at here in Nebraska. Well, we couldn't leave Nebraska without stopping at a Sapp Brothers. Well, we're here at a Sapp Brothers truck stop in Lincoln, Nebraska. And it's a little breezy, but not too awful bad. The truck's running great. The trailer's doing good. So hopefully we make it home today. Well, we made it to Iowa. Diamond Joe's Casino. That means we're almost to Minnesota. Well, the weather was great this trip. What do you think?
Yeah, I don't want to go home.
You don't want to go home?
No.
You want to go back to Utah?
Yeah, they're not getting 6 to 8 inches of snow on Sunday.
Oh, yuck. All right, we're in Albert Lee. Time to stop for dinner. Well, we had dinner at Abby's favorite truck stop, but she wanted Taco Bell. She didn't want to sit down at the restaurant and eat. Well, apparently there's no museum there anymore. I was informed by a fan, and I seem to remember that. That's right. A couple years ago, or a few years ago, they closed the museum, turned it into a church. Oh well, guess we won't see that one. So, we got in late last night, and it's cold here. I don't know. I want to go back to Utah. But we got on load, and we got on hook, we got on pack, and then I got to go through all the footage from the off-road games. So stay tuned for that. Click and subscribe. Thanks for watching. BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling. Be safe out there. Maybe we'll see you in the woods.